overwater villa. Let's go inside and take a look. Today I'm going to be showing you guys around a overwater villa in Cheval Blanc. This is just a restroom. There's 2 of them. I love the hidden doors here. And this is just the little kitchen, and it's completely hidden, which was so nice. Okay, come in. You have your bar off to this side, some snacks, and in this area, I'll put a snippet of when the treats were there, but there's a really nice assortment. Another little bar area. I know outside is tempting, but let's continue. This living room area is beautiful. And then just a little patio seating area here. I love all these big doors. They all close, so you can close your bedroom off or the living room off, so that's nice. There's a TV that comes up from here. I'm not gonna open it, but it's beautiful. And then that is your view that you have from your bed. This is the bed. I love the whole gazebo cabana feel of it. And your bathroom. This is like their signature yellow. And just go up to the ceiling. The ceilings are beautiful in this place. Nice big bathtub, used it last night. Each person has a little vanity. So this was Justin's sink, and you can sit here and, I don't know, do your makeup, get ready, while overlooking the gorgeous ocean. This is actually the shower where I left the bathing suit. We're heading out right now, so I'm glad I saw that. This shower is really nice. It has like this huge shower head, so it's like rain coming down on you. Another sink. And then follow me into the closet. The closet is huge and beautiful, and I loved getting ready here and putting on my cute little outfits to bike around Cheval Blanc. Let's go outside. Here we are. I took a bunch of videos throughout this trip, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and see what a beautiful, amazing villa this was.